Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make your own new arrivals banner or e-flyer in Canva. Let's go ahead and get into the video. First, I'm starting off with a 1080 by 1080 pixel template, and I'm going to go ahead and change the background to black, and then I'm going to add in some text. And right here, I'm just going to continue to duplicate it and put it in the correct pattern that I want it to go in. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in the fade effect. And I did duplicate it a little bit just so it can fade it out a little more. Now I'm going to add in some frames so I can add some pictures. Here I decided to change the color of the fade. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in a shadow effect. Now I'm going to go ahead and add our border at the bottom and add in the website. So right here, I decided to change the color to pink since the background to those pictures are pink and this green kind of throws it off. So I'm just going to go ahead and change everything to pink. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Canva tutorials. Thank you. Bye.